Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this quick video I would like to share with you a simple tool that I've created that will enable you to easily overlay OpenTX telemetry data on your flight footage. This tool is going to be especially useful for DJI users as currently not many elements are supported in the generated subtitles files. First of all, in order to use my tool, you need to use a ready receiver that supports telemetry, such as the Crossfire Nano receiver. The telemetry switch on Betaflight needs to be enabled. And now, in order to make sure that everything is configured properly, under the telemetry tab inside the model menu, you'll be able to monitor the telemetry data, and in case some sensors are missing, select the Discover New Sensors option, and the missing sensors should be added. Now you need to define a switch that is going to tell OpenTX to start logging the data. You can do so by heading over to the Special Functions tab under the model menu, and in my opinion the most convenient switch is going to be the ARM switch. Next to it, select SD logs, and then you need to define the duration between each data entry. In case you're only going to log GPS data, 1 second is probably enough, but if you need a more continuous data flow, you can set it down to 0.1 seconds. The OpenTX SD logs generated CSV files are going to be saved to the logs folder inside the micro SD card and need to be copied to your computer. Now, in order to convert the CSV data to an SRT file, head over to my website, select the DJI Subtitles tool, select the CSV file, select the elements that you would like to display. So, for example, I'm going to select the GPS speed, altitude, and the date. And if you'd like, you can also rename the elements. So, for example, I'm going to rename the G-speed km/h to just speed and km/h. And then, in order to export the data to an SRT file, press this button. The file is going to be automatically downloaded to your computer, and then you can use any video player that supports subtitles in order to use it. In case the video and the subtitles are not synced, you can select the time shift value in milliseconds before importing the CSV data, and I plan to make this feature more user-friendly in the future. In addition, I also plan to add a custom element that is going to calculate the total travel distance. Anyway, I hope that my subtitles tool is going to be useful for you DJI users out there. And by the way, I'm working on other tools, not just for DJI users, so stay tuned for upcoming updates. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my Patreon supporters, and in case you would like to greatly support my channel, I invite you to check out my Patreon page. As always, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to let me know in the comments section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.